So hello and welcome back to another video, my fellow coin collectors, and in today's video, well, we have this set and we'll just take it out in a minute. So the first thing, they come in this plastic cover, yeah, made in China, and there is a cover actually protecting the actual set. The previous one didn't have an actual cover on it, so if you're wise, you'd actually keep it in this cover. So this is the Tooth Fairy coin set. I never got the individual coin because they haven't sold out. These are an unlimited coin. So if someone tells you that they're sold out, no, it's just that they are sold out of current stock. The mint's most likely gonna be producing some more of these coins. So I did get the 2020 Tooth Fairy set. It has a nice design. But 2023 they changed the design because, you know, when a coin has a standard design for quite a few years, people seem to lose interest in it. So, you know, New Zealand 20-cent coins, current circulating coins, a bit smaller than the Australian ones, yet they seem to lose interest. When a coin is generally a one-year issue, like this Omani coin, there's a lot more interest in the actual coins. Also, vintage figures, you know, dictate other stuff as well. So here we have kangaroo, an echidna, looks like a crimson rosella. Is it a fairy wren? A butterfly, superb lyrebird. There is another lyrebird that has blue feathers up north in, I think it's Queensland, in the tropical rainforest. And it's supposed to be eucalyptus trees with eucalyptus leaves falling down. Then we have the side. On the back we have the information about the actual coins. So what's that information? Okay, $2. That's basically it. So here we have the mintage. Mintage is unlimited, uncirculated, aluminium bronze. A Baggio is the designer of the actual coin. So the main thing you need to take out of this video is that the mintage is unlimited. They're just gonna keep minting the actual coin until people just lose interest. Because considering these have not sold out at the Royal Australian Mint, so here we are on their website. It's a baby proof set. Okay, so it's unavailable. It doesn't mean it's actually sold out. But we'll see later in the year. So Tooth Fairy set. And you can actually purchase only 3 of these per account. So pretty much can only get 3. So this product is unavailable. Specifications say limit of 3 per customer account applies to this product. So you can pretty much sign up as many accounts as you want. But once again, it has unlimited as well. So if you open it up, you have a mirror. Ooh, hey baby, here you going. Anyway, so then we have a eucalyptus tree, we have a dingo, koala, a platypus. Then we have some more butterflies, flowers. These might be daisies or something like that. Common Australian daisies, dragonfly. Thing about dragonflies is that when they sit on a branch and the wings are spread out, it's a dragonfly. The wings fold up over their body, they're a damselfly. Plus damselfly is a bit different. Okay, so here we have some information. A very special person here to your very own, featuring me, the Tooth Fairy. A very own coin featuring me, the Tooth Fairy, along with some special gifts just for you. Aren't teeth amazing? Did you know we grow them twice in our lives? It's almost magical. Your teeth are very special, just like you. So remember to take So remember, take very good care for them. From the Tooth Fairy. Hope that she pays a really good price, maybe $2 coin. So if you open it up, you can take that out. Nothing inside the actual cover. And then we have there's a pen. So this is probably the one I like the most. Oh, look at me, I'm a little fairy. Yeah, there's a toothbrush. Yeah, these toothbrushes could have been a lot better for the price you paid. Yeah, they're pretty cheap, but they got tooth in the actual. Yeah, so I can't complain. I'm not really going to use it myself. It's probably good for a child if they want to use it, but you know, not really. And bamboo. It's made out of bamboo. I would have preferred a hardwood anyway. Made in China. Then we have tooth chart, and you got the 3 incisors, got the premolars, canines, and then you have the 2 molars. I think, yeah, this has to be child's teeth. So you got the, should have 4 incisors, looks like it. Then you should have canine, premolars, and then molar. Yeah, these are children's teeth. Okay. Mark each dot as you lose them. Write the date next to the tooth you lost. Okay, so that's understandable. They're not adult teeth. And on the back, we have brush my teeth for 2 minutes, 2 times a today. Yeah, I brush my teeth in the morning and in the afternoon. And so you got morning, afternoon. So that's an encouragement. And the last thing we have is the actual bag. So previously when they had the actual, so this is the first one, they didn't, see this coin has toning on it. So they just put the coin in the bag. So these bags do something to the actual coin. Seems to have some chemical in it that increases the actual oxidation of the actual coin. So now we've actually put these coins in the coin capsules. So if we have a closer look at the actual coin, it looks like the plant's actually eating the Tooth Fairy's head. So I'm not too sure. Might be a hat that she's got on her head, but it looks like it's a carnivorous plant. If you compare it to the initial coin, so this is the first one, as you can see. I think it's had some problem with the actual what do they call it? The thing that contains the coin. God, Alzheimer's pretty bad. So if we look at the obverse, which is the face of the coin, they use the same design, Jody Clark. I'm not too sure if that $2 coin or if that is the plastic that's damaged. You can see the large scratch there. So that's what you also need to look into. You can see it has some reading on the actual rim of their coin, so they might have had problems with the actual production. So check these coins for errors. Let me know down below which coin you actually like. I like the first one the best. The second one's not too bad. They haven't produced a horrible coin like, like this one here, South Korean 51. No, really is nothing special about that coin, that design. It's just basic. So anyway, was it $27? I reckon for me, it's probably good to get quite a few of these sets if you can, because the prices on eBay, they generally double after the mint sells out. And the same with the actual uncirculated coin sets. Seems like the prices go up quite a bit, probably at least $10 for those ones. It's not financial advice. Do your own homework on what is a good product to actually get from the Royal Australian Mint, because not everything's good. And I like it that it's purple, Dan. Purple's a nice colour. Anyway, thank you very much. Hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Have awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Just remember, these are unlimited. At the moment, they're still for sale.